Hello friends, after watching this video you will be able to download, install and set up Dokan Multivendor plugin. So the vendors will be able to register on your website, and when they will sell a product you will get a commission. After the configuration I will also show you the working of a vendor by creating a vendor. So watch this video completely and don't miss any part. If you want to download this plugin you can use this link. I will provide the link in description. I will also tell you on how to get some huge discount on this plugin. You can maybe download the free version. If you want to go for a paid one, I will recommend you to get this plugin, which is normally $249 per year. So this will give you some extra benefits because this plugin is for one site only and this version can be used on 3 sites. Moreover, it has some new features as well which are amazing. So I will recommend you to get this one. You can use this on 3 or you can maybe sell your 2 licenses to some friends or on any of the social media or freelancing platform. So currently we are going to install the free version. Paid version is also similar. We can also check how we can download the paid version. Here you can see that we can go to the checkout and here we can just fill this form to buy and download this plugin. Here you can use this coupon code for discount as well, so don't forget to use that link and this coupon. You can also install Honeycomb extension for some discounts as well. So let's go to the installation process. We can download it like this. We will click on download and then we have to go to our website dashboard, hover over the plugins and add new. Click on upload plugin, choose the file, install now. Activate plugin. Now it will auto run the setup. We have to click on let's go. We can skip this step. If we will turn on this setting, then the vendor who will register will be automatically be able to sell things. But if we will turn off, we will have to approve the seller who will register on the website. And here we can type in the percentage of the commission. So let's keep it 10 and continue. You can change all of these settings later on as well. So the setup is completed. We can return to the WordPress dashboard. Here you can now see some new options as well. We can go to the Dokan dashboard. Allow this option for better results. You can allow this one as well. Clear these options. And here we have a lot of things that are now set up. We can go to the setting and change the options from here as well. Now if we go to the pages, so now let's view the pages that are automatically created by this plugin. So here is the vendor's dashboard. He can add the products from here. Currently we have the admin account logged in, so that's why we are seeing this notification on top of the page. So let's log out. As now we have logged out, so let's go to the same page again and see what happens. We will see this page where we will have to register first as a customer or a vendor. So let's create a vendor account. Let's go, and here we will have to add more details. Here the vendor has to enter his PayPal email for withdrawal. By the way, this is not my original PayPal email. Go to store dashboard, and now that the user is registered, now the vendor has to be approved by the admin. If we want to go to the WordPress dashboard, first of all we have to log out as vendor and then again log in as the website admin. Here when we go to the dashboard of Dokan, and here we will see one vendor awaiting approval. We will go to the vendors here and we will see this Kashif store here. This is the account that we created, so we will turn the status to on. And now when we log out and log in as the vendor, and now we will see that the notification that was appearing here, that was to contact admin, is now gone. So now we can add the products as well, and when we will get any order on our product, we will see it here. And when we have the minimum withdrawal amount that we set to $50, when we reach that, we will be able to withdraw the money from here. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more related videos.